Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video in this channel, and I will make flashcards, alphabet flashcards in this video. I hope you guys like them. So it will be a very simple project. I'm gonna use index cards to make the flashcards, and some sticker letters, and also a ring, which you can find like all of these in the dollar store. Also an X-acto knife, or you can use scissors as well, but it's easier with the method that I'm gonna show you guys now. So just sort out the color that you like to do with. So what we're gonna do is you can just first cut one index card in half, so that way it's easier to know where the middle is, where you're gonna cut is. So you just stack them and keep cutting every single one of them this way. My knife is not the best, so it's just cutting one or two at a time. But if you have a good knife, that will be better and quicker. So just keep fixing the stack until you cut all of them, so they're all the same size. Okay, so here I have all of them. So now we're going to punch holes in them. When you're hole punching, also try to see if it goes through the ring. Also match the holes so they look nice and neat when you put them all through the ring. There are so many ways to do these flashcards, but this is the simplest method that I came up with. Also, I'm using some letter stickers after I hole punched them. You can just pick any material for this project. You can also, if you want to, laminate the index cards. After you're done with the hole punching, we're going to stick the letters on. It is best to pick clear, easy to read letters. Okay, so after you're done sticking all the letters, there's only thing left is to put them all through the ring. Alright, that's it. So after you're done making the flashcards, you can enjoy learning letters with your toddler or preschooler. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this idea.